Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very exciting product that I would like to share with you guys. Have you ever wondered how you are able to fit such a huge screen within such confined spaces? Well, today I'm here to share with you about a portable projector from BenQ, and it's none other than the GV31. So let me share with you why this could just be your ticket towards a more immersive experience. And also at the same time, this could potentially be one of the most versatile projector that you have for the year itself. First things first, looking at the GV31, it looks really clean and comes with a minimal design. I personally like the look of it because it's not only compact, coming in at 1.7 kilograms, but it also doesn't look like any other projectors in the market. It comes in this water drop shape and it has been kept the same as its predecessor, the GV30. There are many situations where it could be put to good use. Think about bringing it for a staycation or doing something creative with it as a backdrop. One thing to note is that the battery life on this projector has been improved, now lasting up to 3 hours. When you purchase the projector, you get the power adapters and cables, a remote control, and one of the key items is this magnetic base itself. So this magnetic stand right here is very convenient as it's able to be tilted and projected at an angle. I could literally spin this thing up and down and it will hold in place because of the magnets inside of it. Imagine this scenario where you are just laying down in bed and you can now stream your favorite movies without straining your neck. If you are sitting up, simply just point it forward towards the wall or a screen and enjoy. The projector also comes along with an Android TV dongle, which you have to set up with before using it. It's super simple. Just open up the projector, slot in the dongle, close it back up, and now you're all set and ready to go. The GV31 also comes with a few ports. A Type-A USB reader, your typical HDMI, a Type-C port, a headphone jack, and your power adapter port. When you flip your projector up, you can see that this is where we have a few control buttons. Here you have your input source button, volume adjuster buttons, and power button. So what I would have liked from BenQ this time around was to include in a carrying case, because this was supposed to be a portable projector. I know that they have done this previously for its predecessor, the GV30, but unfortunately this is not the case this time around. So if you would like to purchase a carrying case, you can definitely do so separately on their website. One interesting thing about this portable projector is that no matter how you adjust the display angles, you are still able to get a clear image. The reason is because this projector comes along with an autofocus camera, which means that as soon as you project the screen on a different spot, it will notice that you have made some changes and it will start to refocus the image on its own. Also, another thing you will notice on this projector is the auto vertical keystone function. There will be instances where you project the image at certain angles, but it just doesn't look quite right. The projector will automatically align it back correctly, so you will always see a correct image. Let's talk about the viewing experience on this projector. How does it really feels like when you're using it to watch a movie? The thing you have to note about this projector is that the maximum projection size of the GV31 has been improved. The display now comes in from 30-inch up close all the way to 120-inch. So the question now is, in terms of image quality, how does this stand up to the increased projection size? Well, this is something that you guys don't have to worry too much. Comparing the GV31 to its predecessor, the GV30, the native resolution on the GV31 has been increased to 1080p compared to 720 in the past. If you keep the projected display within its projection range of 30-inch to 120-inch, you should be able to get clear and vivid display images. The GV31 also comes with a few built-in presets such as bright, living room, sports, and many more where you are able to choose the best ones for the scenario you are using it in. The projector also has a proprietary cinematic color technology to enhance the image so it can show more true and accurate colors. I think one question that many of us would probably have when buying a portable projector is, how will it fare during daylight conditions? The GV31 has up to 300 ANSI lumens. So to put this in simplified terms, it is just the observed brightness of the projected image on a screen. So trust me when I say that the portable projector itself isn't too bad at all in terms of brightness. Also, not forgetting that you will always get the best image when you are using a projector in a darker surrounding. So make sure that when you're buying one, think about the conditions that you currently have and fit it to your style. This is how the display looks like, though I have some lights lit at the back of my room. I was still able to see the image pretty clearly, so it's definitely not a big issue. Again, as there are so many presets for you to work with, in the scenario that you're watching something under bright conditions, Simply select the bright preset and the projector will help you with the best settings. One key thing to note is in order for you to get the brightest possible image, you have to ensure that the projector is plugged into a power source. Whenever you plug it out from the source, you start to notice that the projector image is now dimmed, and the reason for it is because it's running on its internal battery. So make sure to take note of that whenever you're bringing this out for outdoor usage. With the installed media streaming dongle, you'll be able to access Google TV, which is convenient to use, and the projector also comes preloaded with Netflix and YouTube. The built-in Chromecast within the projector also streams directly from Android or iOS, so there's no need for any additional hardware or accessories. The audio on the GV31 is also pretty decent. It comes with a built-in 2.1 system channel that features dual 4-watt mid-range tweeters and a powerful 8-watt woofer. The bass on these speakers are pretty deep, and the clarity of this audio is pretty decent with increasing volume. If you want to connect this to any other external speakers or soundbar, you can still do so through Bluetooth. So here are my closing thoughts on the GV31. I believe that it has been a step up from the GV30 because of the increased native resolution, the improved projection size, and many other points which I have covered throughout the video. I love how they kept the original features of the GV30, and I think that's great. However, at a price point of 849 Singapore dollars, I would have loved for them to include in a carrying case, similarly to what they have done for the predecessor, which is the GV30, because this is supposed to be a portable projector. But nonetheless, you are still able to put this projector into a backpack before you head out of the house. So what are your thoughts on the GV31? Is this a portable projector that you pick up for yourself? Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. I appreciate you watching this all the way to the end, and I will see you on the next video.